and I am very happy to share one number. Last year around 25% branches, between 25 to 30% branches has achieved the target. But this year 51% branches has achieved the target. So participation of the branches has gone up. Total business figure has grown, total business figure has grown by 13.66% to 15.2 lakh 29 lakh crore. Deposit has grown 13.47 lakh percent to 8.44 lakh crore. Advances has grown by 13.89% to 6.85 lakh crore. CASA has grown by 15.3% to 3 lakh 20,000 crore. CD ratio is very healthy at 81.06%. If you see, my growth between deposit and advances is very balanced, almost equal growth. And CASA also has grown by 15.30%, which is a very healthy number. RAM has grown by 14.80% to 4.17 lakh crore. Retail has grown by 18.74% to 1,46,000 crore. Agriculture has grown by 9.96% to 1.58 lakh crore. Agriculture little slow because of the new guidelines has come, but we are very comfortable. It has started picking up, and going forward it will improve. MSME also grown very healthy growth. MSME earlier you used to grow in the range of 5 to 6%. Now it is growth is 17%. Corporate also, which used to grow 2-3%, now we are in the range of 11.49%. Gross NPA has come down to 1.86%, YOY basis 115 basis point, QOQ basis 12 basis point. Net NPA has come down to 0. Maintained. So sequentially it has maintained 0.15%. Provision coverage ratio is at 98.22%. YOY basis 2 basis point has come down. QOQ 6 basis point gone up. Cost of deposit sequentially has come down by 3 basis point to 4.80. Yield on advances has gone up by 2 basis point to 8.09. Yield on investment has come down by 3 basis point, but because of the repo rate has been come multiple times, that's why yield on advances has come down. Domestic NIM we have maintained 6 basis point expansion. We have better than guidance 3.41. Return on asset, it has gone up by 3 basis point on quarter to quarter basis 1.31. Net interest income very healthy growth of 17%, and quarter to quarter also 5%. Operating profit quarter to quarter growth 5%. YOY growth 16%. Profit before taxes, it's there. Net profit around 10% it has grown. Return on equity 19.48%. Next. So this is this is bar chart of the previous slide only, so no need to explain that. Next. Total business again, if you see 13.47% deposit growth. Current account has grown by very healthy growth of 26.33%. Saving balance has grown by 13.54%. Next. Segment wise, retail has grown by 18.74%, retail agriculture by 9.96%, MSME by 17%. Overall RAM share remains around 66%. That is our target, between 65 to 66%. Within that segment, home loan and mortgage loan is growing by 13.36%. And in MSME, if you say, good growth has come in all the segments, micro, small, medium, everywhere growth is in the range of 15 to 18%. Next. Priority sector, we have achieved all the targets. Against a target of priority sector of 40%, we have achieved 45.36. Agriculture 18%, achievement is 21.44. Small on marginal farmer, target is 10%, we have achieved 10.18. Weaker section 12%, achievement is 13.30. Micro under MSME 7.5%, achievement is 11.59. Non-corporate farmer 14%, achievement is 20.67%. Even self-help group, we have almost 98% achieved the target. Mudra 101% achievement is there. PM Viskarma, PM Swanidhi, wherever requirement is there, we are participating, we are achieving. Next. Operating profit, already told, interest income has increased by quarter on quarter basis 3.49, interest expenditure 2.74%. NII has grown by 17%, and net profit already explained somewhere, so around 10% increase in the net profit. Next. Within that segment, if you see, interest income on advances has grown by 13.32% quarterly, interest on investment 2.86%, other interest income, because we have raised green infrastructure loan, so because of that other interest income has gone up little bit. Profit on sale of basically treasury income last year it was 560, this year it is 400, but very good thing we can see in the fee based income, good growth. If you compare from the last financial year, it has gone up from 790 to 930, and also forex income almost 100 crore jump, 181 to 281, so good jump on that also. PSLC commission almost in the same range. Next. So on expenses part also, interest on deposit 2.53% growth quarterly. Other interest expenses 14.09%. Interest on borrowing, it has come down little bit from the March, but from last year, because we remain on the borrowing side. So that's why this yearly basis it has gone up little. Salary and employee benefit, if we take it together, it has increased by around handsome margin of around 10% in salary, employee benefit 31%. So good jump is there. Staff expenses overall 18% growth is there. Overheads quarterly negative growth 1612 to 1440. Operating expenses overall has grown by 4.35%. Next. So performance ratio, cost of deposit has come down from 4.83 to 4.80. Cost of fund has come down from 4.88 to 4.83. Yield on advances has come down from 8.07 has gone up from 8.07 to 8.09. Yield on investment has come down from 6.99 to 6.86. Yield on funds has gone up from 7.95 to 8. So 5 basis point expansion is there. NIM has gone up both domestic and global by 6 basis point from 3.23 to 3.29, 3.35 to 3.41. Cost to income ratio, if you see compare from the March it has come down almost same, but whole year last year was 46.03, which has come down to 44.80. Return on asset 1.28 to 1.31, it has gone up. Return on equity from March also it has gone up from 18.98 to 19.48. Earning per share is 97.20 annualized. Book value per share 510.72. Business per employee 35.62. It has gone little down because fresh recruitment has happened. Probationary officer we have taken, which they have joined in April. So because of that has come down little bit. Business per branch 248 crore. Net profit per employee 31.2. Next. So these are basically pictorial diagram of the whatever we discussed earlier. Next.
Also listed like home delivery signed and sealed statement, enhanced mobile experience, mobile app experience like e-tax filing. With this platform we can do e-tax filing. So these are the things that we are in the process of implementation. Next is this consumer relationship management. We say in Engage Hub. Till that time we used to showcase you people that we are doing this, but this time we have tried to showcase you people after implementation of this what kind of business we have garnered. So this CRM we have started in a pilot one in our FGM Mumbai. So the business that has been garnered during this period is 504 crore, something through call center and something through physical channel. The next one is the In-Case Optima. This is our CMS platform. We are discussing this CMS platform for quite some time. Now we are showcasing what kind of business we have garnered. So the CASA mobilization through In-Case Optima is 6,300 crore, which is a growth of 75% year on year. And the total collection volume is 24,710, which is an increase of 24% year on year basis. These are the digital journeys that we have gone, what we have discussed, 150 plus digital journeys. This is all these digital journeys. have implemented this agentic AI collection on a pilot basis. So this AI has done 1.90 lakh calls for 85,000 accounts with a recovery of 194 crore. So this is the benefit we had given here. Then we had also implemented one AI-enabled regulatory compliance. Wherever the regulator issued guidelines, immediately this AI platform reads all these guidelines and gives us what to do and where we are. Then we have a slice scoring model for MSME where we have 660 accounts have been scored with an amount of 989 crore. And the AI and Gen AI initiative under implementation has shown here. These are the ongoing AI initiatives we are doing, this corporate ecosystem engine, RFP creator, all these things will save the employee's time. It will collect information, draft the report and place it. Thereafter the employee will go through that and he will approve or he will take a call. The decision will be taken by the employee. Now the key initiative that we have implemented in the recent period is UPI mandate interoperability. This is a new initiative. Suppose I am giving an example. In Google Pay you have placed a payment order. Suppose it is for payment of your mobile bills. So and that is linked to my Indian bank account. You can change that amount in Indian by logging into Indian bank in Smart app. So this is known as interoperability. Suppose by mistake you have given an order or placed an request or instruction, that can be changed with interoperability. Similarly, this PMEGP portal is developed by Indian Bank 2.0. We have also tied up with VIT for Indian Bank co-branded prepaid meal cards for the student of VIT. Then we have suspected money mule identifier. All these things that we have implemented during this period of time. And